Hello, I'm Uvesh, founder of UV TechSoft. Welcome to this presentation. In this video, I will be introducing my AI powered content analyzer, a cutting edge solution specifically designed to track and analyze stop sale updates within the travel and hospitality industry. Currently, it is in the concept phase. The project has achieved an accuracy rate of 50-60%. I am now seeking funding to further enhance and scale my proprietary AI model, which integrates advanced technologies such as OCR, NLP, and computer vision. With your support, I aim to refine its capabilities and transform it into fully commercial product, unlocking its potential for a wide range of impactful applications. So let's get started. This is my project folder. I will show this demonstration in two parts. First part is for the email text and second is with attachments. In the attachments it supports all type of attachments like images, document, PDF, Excel, Word, anything. So let me show first for the text part. And as of now I have trained with the small specific data of email text. Let me show an example. So this is the text email as a sample. So this is the basic raw email content, and I will show you how my model is predicting and getting the exact output. So here we get the result as specific hotel name, location, stop sale dates, and the room category. Likewise, we get the data from the whole email text, and it extract the exact detail what we are looking for. So now let's move with the part 2 with the attachment type. So let me show you first the different attachments, how they are dynamic and how real world challenging format we are facing. So there are different type of images here I have kept as a basic data set. So let me open. So from this we have to track all the stop sale as a red sign, or we can say the X mark. Along with the same sign of X mark with the yellow, we have to track as a new stop sale update, and we have to track its specific room type along with the following dates. So let me show the different formats. So there is no any specific or standard format followed by the hotels and resorts. Here the color markings are being changed and there is no X mark here. So every time this can be different and this can be vary. So here it's indicate by black with S written as a existing stop sale, and with the red mark an N shows the new stop sale updates, and followed by its room type. Here I'm using one test image to track what data we are getting. it detects the image and provides the results. There are 12 room types, 29 stop sale dates, 89 marks, and 9 new stop sale updates. And based on that, it have mapped all the exact data with its specific date. So let me show the exact output result. So as we can see, it have detect the exact room type along with its specific dates. So this is the basic conceptual demo of my AI project. Thank you.